Acidity, boiling acid. Oh, I like the way you think, Lawrence. Can we do that? Make it so.
Look down! Don't look down! Look down! Don't look down!
I won't say he doesn't make it through this next section. The robot who brings me the head of Captain Clark in the free loop job. Everyone else gets their secretary.
Look down! Don't look down!
The robot who brings me the head of Captain Clark in the free loop job. Everyone else gets their secretary. This is getting good. More popcorn. Turn it up, guys. I love this part.
After his narrow escape from the clutches of Dr. Nefarious, Quark dropped out of the public eye. Truth is, Quark was holed up in his secret hideout on the Thran asteroid, terrified that Dr. Nefarious would make good on his promise of revenge. When Nefarious didn't resurface, Quark assumed he was gone forever and returned to his career as a high-profile celebrity superhero. But the galaxy had not seen the last of Dr. Nefarious.
Ouch! What do you think you're doing, you oaf?
Do hold still, sir. This is a very delicate procedure. There, that should do the trick. Go ahead, take her for a spin.
What's going on? Where are my arms? Whose butt is this?
Oh, my mistake, sir. Dreadful. Sorry?
Janice.
Oh, Lance.
Oh my, we will have to get that fixed. One of these days.
I should have known Quark was full of it. But why would Quark lie to us?
Dude, Quark is bogus, bogus, bogus.
You can ask him yourself when we see him. According to this vid comic, Quark has a secret hideout in the Thran asteroid belt. I've got a hunch he's there right now.
He says he wants to come with us.
I don't think that... Oh, wait a minute. You speak monkey?
Oh, just enough to get by.
Now what?
He says you have ears like a Florana dung beaver.
Yeah, hilarious. Let's see if he's still laughing when he finds out his pal Quark is working with Nefarious.
Major bogus.
Surely Quark would never...
Teamed up with Drek, didn't he? And I know I don't have to remind you about that protopet business. Who knows what he's capable of?